Usbon ko. Unsay imong mensahe sa mga kabatan-unan nga nag-atubang og mga kalisdanan sa kinabuhi. Go.
Thank you for that wonderful question. So the advice I'm going to give to young people is to always pray because nothing is impossible. Because everything is possible in prayer. And also, I want those young people who's facing challenges right now to always remind themselves that every storm will pass. Thank you.
Number 2.
Won't get left anyone. Play like the top 1% till nothing's left to.
Hi, candidate number 2. Behind. Mag-stress na pa ko yun. Hi.
Hello.
Okay, kumusta?
Dili ka nung
Dili,